Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. My account pumping back over $500,000, which is amazing. If you've been following the journey of this account, it started at 150,000. We reached a high of 590,000. Now it's sitting at 507,000 after the ETF drop, and I bought the dip. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and congratulations, all of you. I bought Bitcoin at nearly the exact bottom at that 38,800, and it came down to 38,500, but I bought it at 38,800. I bought Pocket. They're just pumping. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals, and we had a big move up in the market reset, but Sui pumped massively. I shared it over on my Twitter. I wouldn't be able to show you in here. These were my buy orders. You can see here, and look at Bitcoin pumping from 40,100 last night to 42,000. These were my buy orders on the bottom. I bought Bitcoin 38,800. You can see here. It was like perfect buy, and Bitcoin is just exploding out of that support. I said it yesterday in my video. I said that this is an inverse head and shoulders. I think Bitcoin is going to pump. I think the bottom is in, and we had this boosh move, which congratulations all of you who took my trades, who took that trade, who paid attention. Congratulations. That trade is now massively in the profits. I'll share this on Instagram. Congratulations to all of you. Now we're at resistance. It hit my target actually, but what it is creating is this big inverse head and shoulders being created here. So we could get a bit of a pullback to 40,700, but that would make a massive inverse head and shoulders, which would take inverse head and shoulders work like this. As I teach you in the crypto master course, shoulder, head, shoulder. Then you have a big move, the base of the head. So this distance there is how much we should expect to move. And I think Bitcoin is going to do something like this. I mean, I said it yesterday, and already Bitcoin pumped out. So congratulations, everyone who took that move. If this was the bottom, then we are in the second to third impulse wave, the largest of the impulse waves, which is going to be very good for us. If that bottom was really 38,500, which was it came down to 38,533 on the drop. My buys were 38,866 and 38,943. My Bitcoin trade is doing really amazing right now. I'll show you. My Bitcoin trade is now up. So look at my buys on Bitcoin. I sold it here at 42,000. You can see here my sell. And then I bought it here at nearly the exact bottom, 38,000. My buys were at 38,800. And then I bought it also here yesterday when I said it's going to pump, and I added back to my positions. Now my Bitcoin trade is up $36,000, 294%. This was after I took the profits of that trade before. It's now 6 Bitcoin, so I added back to this trade. It's almost as big as my old trade. It's 6 Bitcoin, $214,000 of value, $36,000 in the profits, and it's already realized $12,400 profits, which is beautiful. And this account, 506,000, 12.1 Bitcoin, 585,000 US dollars. In here, I've got Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, 84,000 USDT, 2 Bitcoin, 83,000, up 4%. Congratulations, up 4% since I bought it. FXS 61,000, up 5%, pumping. Congratulations, FXS. Doge 52K, up 2%. I'm gonna buy another 5,000 of Doge right now. So I'm buying another $5,000 worth of Doge. And then I'm gonna stay really unallocated off that because I'm mostly in US. I've got very little US dollars left of this $500-something thousand account. Only 83,000 US dollars. Uniswap up 4%. 42,000. I added more to my Uniswap position on the dip. MCRT up 4%. 42,000. Pocket up 9%, and yesterday was up massive as well. 24,800 of Pocket, 11,000 of World, up 6%. Congratulations, everyone. Sui up 26%, which is beautiful. Now, where would I take a Bitcoin trade if not yet open to trade? I think we're gonna have a little bit of a pullback. We can get a little bit of pullback to weekly, daily support. Let's remove that trade from yesterday. Congratulations, everyone. And then I think Bitcoin is going to bounce here and go for this mega run to 60K. I believe the bottom after the ETF announcement is now in. So my target of this trade is now 49K is where we have a big resistance. That's 1 point to close. That's one trade area to close. But that can be one take profit, and the second take profit, I will keep it at 60k, which is the overall bigger resistance. When we zoom out, you'll see that this is the bigger resistance, and that's why I've got my second. Actually, no, we've got major resistance here, 53k. So 49k and 53k major resistance. After that, 60k is a very, very heavy resistance to break through. Actually, 61,300. So this is the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. Risk to reward is, let's go closer. The trade on Bitcoin is close to opening. 41,507 is where it opens. Stop loss 41,451. Let's see if there's any areas of major support we should pull it. I think that's, yeah. 41,506 is the open. 41,451 stop loss, and take profit 60k, 61k. Risk to reward 362 times. Risking, let's make the stop loss a little bit bigger because only risking $54. But it's only risking $54 this trade. Okay, now it's 154 risk to reward ratio. It came up to 200. It's risking $128 to make $19,843 with no leverage. Nowhere else in the world can you risk $128 to make $19,843 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $198,000. 100x leverage, $1.9 million. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. And again, everything you see here under the video, underneath the video, in the description. So. Underneath the video in the description, go down below under the video. One is the exchanges. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you use that link on Bybit. And 2, the courses. Take the Crypto Masterclass to fully understand and learn the charts. 3, join us in Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. Over on the Telegram, everyone's kind of celebrating, sharing. Guys, by people talking about different projects. 67%. This guy, beautiful gains. Fire 67% on his Bitcoin short. This guy 55%, and you can see just everyone sharing charts, talking. Mr. Nobody sharing altcoin Wyckoff accumulation pattern, and you can just see everyone trading. This is just this morning. This is just the last few hours, and you can see just pages and pages of people talking, trading, sharing charts, buying things. Congratulations, everyone. That's my update on Bitcoin. In the next video, I'm going to do Ethereum and tech stocks. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. And who followed me? Who sold at 42k? And when I gave the warnings to get out, that I think it could have, that we could have a free fall. And then who bought with me at 38k? Love you all. Have an amazing day. Congratulations. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.